Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we have something truly remarkable to discuss: the ASUS ROG Hyperion GR701 EATX full-tower computer case. Let's dive right in. The ASUS ROG Hyperion GR701 is not just your average computer case. It's a behemoth of a case that's designed to take your gaming or workstation setup to the next level. Let's start by exploring its key features. First off, let's talk about cooling. The Hyperion GR701 boasts a semi-open structure that enhances airflow, ensuring that your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. With support for up to 2x420mm radiators, you can customize your cooling setup with large AIOs or custom water cooling solutions. But cooling is just the beginning. This case is all about style and convenience too. The sturdy die-cast aluminum alloy frame not only looks sleek but also doubles up as carry handles, capable of supporting up to 80 kg. Plus, the hinged tool-free side panels and built-in storage drawer make building and maintenance a breeze. Another standout feature is the built-in graphics card holder, which supports both vertical and horizontal installations. This not only prevents sagging but also adds a touch of flair to your build. And with two front panel Type-C ports featuring 60W fast charge support, you'll never have to worry about running out of juice. But perhaps what sets the Hyperion GR701 apart is its attention to detail. From the ROG-themed front plate with embedded ARGB lighting to the internal hub with 6 PWM fan headers and 8 ARGB headers, every aspect of this case exudes quality and craftsmanship. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Hyperion GR701 EATX full-tower computer case is a true powerhouse that combines exceptional cooling performance, stylish design, and unmatched convenience. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a professional content creator, this case has everything you need to build the ultimate rig. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, happy building!